Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 G550. This one is a Diseño manufactured Cardinal Red. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo with 416 horsepower and 450 pounds of torque. This one has the Amg package with the Amg Exterior and Interior, night package with black accents along the trim, 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, V8 badging on the side, a Diseño salad brown leather interior with a carbon fiber trim. Also included is the interior package with a leather dash, Diseño dynamic headliner, ambient lighting, open up the back, clean set of all-season regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, trailer hitch, blind spot assist, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and media display, push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This G-Wagon has 31,315 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz G550, visit us at feldmannimports.com.